Okay, so welcome back to this third example on how to expand double brackets. So previous two videos, what we've looked at is what happens if you expand double brackets that have two positives. What happens if you expand double brackets that has one positive and one negative. Now we're looking at what happens if you expand double brackets that have two negatives. So a -3 and a -2 in this example. So the outcome's different, but the process is exactly the same. So let's start off by expanding our first two, so the two x's. So x times x is x squared. Then let's expand the outer two. So x times by -2 is -2x. Let's expand the inner, so -3 times by x is -3x. Let's expand the last, so -3 times by -2. Well, negative times a negative is a positive, so -3 times by -2 is going to be +6. So now we can simplify this by combining these two terms here, the -2x and a -3x, to give us our final line of x squared is -5x plus 6, and that's our final answer. So when we expand x minus 3, x minus 2, we get x squared minus 5x plus 6. Okay, so pause the video here, copy out the working to this left-hand example, have a go at this right-hand example, and then play the video once you're done, and I'll go through the answers with you. Okay, so hopefully you've had a chance to go through this example on the right hand side. So we've got x minus 5 in one bracket and x minus 3 in the other bracket. So let's go through this in exactly the same way. So we start off with x times by x. X times by x is x squared. Then we do x times by -3. X times by -3 is -3x. Then we do our inner two, so -5 times by x is -5x. And then we do our last two, so our -5 times by -3. Negative times a negative is a positive, so -5 times by -3 is +15. Okay? Only thing we need to do now is simplify it by combining these two terms. We can combine them because they're both just single x's. So it's going to be x squared minus 8x plus 15. And that's your final answer. If you got that, fantastic. Give yourself some ticks. Well done. Okay, I'll see you in the next video where we'll go over a couple of checks just to make sure that you've really got the understanding down.